In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a database using LibreOffice Base. Whether you're organizing data or pulling valuable insights from an existing database, having the right tool and knowing how to use it is essential. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to open LibreOffice Base. This can be done by locating the LibreOffice icon on your computer and giving it a double click. Doing so will open up the Start Center, which acts as your gateway to various LibreOffice applications. Once there, go ahead and click on Base Database. This action will immediately bring up the Database Wizard, which is specifically designed to guide you through the setup process with ease and clarity. In the Database Wizard, you'll be faced with an important choice: deciding the type of database connection you wish to establish. You'll want to select the option to connect to an existing database. Now, there's a drop-down list available for you to browse, and it's here where you can pick the specific database type you need to connect to. Your options include a variety of formats like spreadsheet, if you're working with calc or Excel files, text for those instances when you have CSV or TXT files, and others like DBase, MySQL, or MariaDB, PostgreSQL, or even more advanced options like ODBC or JDBC connections. Whichever you choose, once selected, you can proceed by clicking on the Next button. Now comes the step where you tailor the connection to your specific needs by entering the connection details. These details will vary based on your chosen type of database. If you've opted for spreadsheet, you'll need to browse your computer to find the relevant .ods or .xlsx file. For text databases, your task will be to locate and select the folder that contains the necessary .csv or .txt files. Meanwhile, those choosing MySQL or PostgreSQL will have to enter technical details such as the server name, port, and the name of the database you're trying to connect with. And finally, for an ODBC or JDBC connection, you need to provide specific driver details along with the connection string, which serves as a unique address that enables access to the database. After you've carefully entered all the required information, confirming each detail is accurate, you can proceed by clicking the Next button. And just like that, you've successfully set up the beginnings of your database connection using LibreOffice Base. Remember, taking the time to ensure your details are correct at each stage can save you a lot of troubleshooting later. And that's all there is to it in setting up your database connection in LibreOffice Base. I hope this guide was straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around for more tutorials that make technology a little easier to navigate.